All right, welcome to Bruges. We are from the Cactus Festival.
Thank you.
We are very happy to have you. We were really anxious to know if people knew Cactus Festival. So my first question to you was, besides from knowing Cactus Festival, what do you know of our great city, Bruges? What is it famous for?
Well, for us, it's actually the first time here. We came for the festival.
Yes.
I don't know much about it actually.
And if we are, but we know that if we are in Belgium, this is a must.
Yeah.
Right? We have to.
Cactus Festival is a must.
Bruges.
Bruges
okay,
is a
okay.
must.
But during the Cactus Festival is better. And we like the cooks.
Oh.
So it was perfect for us to come.
So you are really great Cooks fans. Yes.
No, not that big, but yeah, I mean, we were in the
We
area.
love music.
Yes.
And this is a very good festival in that terms, I think.
So if I say this hand is like Bruges, this is Cactus Festival, it's like, whoa, Cactus Festival is much more important than Bruges.
No. Not really, sorry.
Almost.
We would have come to Bruges anyway, for sure.
And
but this just makes
Which country are you from, if I can ask?
Peru.
You are from Peru?
Yes.
All right, maybe one last question then. Which great Peruvian band would you like to have on Cactus next year?
Oh, that's actually a really good
yes,
question.
there are many actually.
Yeah. We can do Protones.
Protones.
Los Protones.
I would say Canaco y el Tigre.
Canaco el Tigre.
Yes.
I'm happy we film it because
Yes.
I don't understand.